Consumers are paying closer attention than ever to the foods they eat, focusing on freshness, food safety, shelf life, flavor, and other aspects of product quality. This challenges food manufacturers to bring their very best, and ferments can provide a great way to do just that. Fermentation is a natural process that's been around for centuries. Most of us have seen fermented sausages in stores or on a charcuterie board. But how does fermentation work? Let's dig into the science. During fermentation, microorganisms break down sugars to create ferments. The results can offer many advantages for people working with meat products. For starters, ferments can increase the shelf life of meat by controlling spoilage bacteria and unsafe pathogens such as Listeria. Ferments can also help enhance savory flavors when reducing sodium. And by helping meats retain their color, they preserve what for most consumers is the #1 indicator of freshness. With more than 100 years of experience, Corbion offers a wide variety of solutions that use renewable resources and mechanisms provided by nature to preserve both foods and the planet. Using cutting-edge technology, Corbion's line of Verdad products harnesses the natural power of fermentation to create meat products that stay safe and keep the qualities of freshness longer. Thanks for watching Fresh Perspective Food News. Stay up to date on the latest protein news by subscribing to thecorbioncut.com.